Hello English learners! In today's video, you'll practice your listening as well as learn some Christmas vocabulary because I'm walking through Warsaw Old Town in Poland. Don't forget that at the end of the video, you have a list of useful words from me as well as exercises in my pinned commentary under the video. So hop along. Let's go!
The air is cold and crisp, and the streets are glowing with warm, golden light. It feels warm, peaceful, and a little nostalgic. Christmas illuminations are all over the old town. The string lights in the market square impressed me the most. They were hung over the ice skating rink, which made the whole atmosphere look like a fairy tale. The market square was alive with its Christmas time spirit. All around the old town, there are enchanting restaurants and cafes decorated in Christmas style. Walking into one of them and having a cup of hot herbal tea is something you definitely enjoy while being here.
I'm passing through Christmas market now.
There are rows of wooden stalls, each one glowing from the inside, decorated with pine branches, red ribbons, and small hand-carved figures. I found an entire stall of gingerbread cookies. Just look at those bright cartoon characters: bears, Santas, Christmas trees, deer, and snowmen, all packed in separate transparent plastic bags and tied with ribbons. At another stall, there were real glass Christmas tree ornaments. Look at these pearly white, red, and golden baubles and tree toppers. There was even a green glass donut you can hang on your Christmas tree. I also saw a glass hot dog, a piece of watermelon, and a cozy glass house covered in snow. Of course, any Christmas market is a place where you can choose presents for your loved ones. There was a stall with unusually shaped, scented soaps, lavender sachets, warm natural wool socks, scarves, blankets, and mittens. In the next place, there were wooden caskets made from logs, and you could also pick a gift from a wide range of wooden items. I love the smell of wood, spices, and gingerbread. You can hear quiet Christmas music in the background and the soft sound of people chatting, laughing, and clinking cups of hot drinks.
Look at this Christmas tree. It's amazing, isn't it?
It stands in the center of the square and is covered in glass bubbles and tiny twinkling lights that change their color every few seconds. Everything feels calm but alive at the same time. People moving slowly, smiling, stopping to take photos. The historic buildings look even more magical, with lights set around them. Being here reminds me that Christmas isn't only about lights, markets, or decorations. Beyond all of this beauty, Christmas is a celebration of something much deeper: the birth of Jesus Christ. and the love, hope, and peace that the story brings to the world. No matter where you are, that spirit of light in the darkness is what Christmas is really about.
Thanks for walking with me through Warsaw at Christmas. Write in the comments what new words you learned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And see you soon!